Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, you are welcome. Please subscribe and support the channel. In today's video, I am going to decorate this traditional living space with some vintage decor items, classic wall arts and some pieces with some history. The whole space looks like this. One wall is painted in red to give a traditional vibe. The carved traditional wooden sofas were made with solid teak wood. The divan sofa is also made of teak wood. Now let's start decorating from this side of the wall. This beaded wooden artifact is from Kenya. This ceramic luminous hand painted round floral candle holder is from Turkey. I bought this wooden beadworked elephant when I visited Ghana. All these picture frames are leather paintings. I bought these at various times when I visited Ethiopia. This giraffe is from Rwanda. We bought two of them and one is kept in the study room. This is made of a single wooden piece. Now let's add some throw pillows to the divan sofa. Let's start decorating the wooden shelf in the corner. This is a new addition. I gathered some items which were in the boxes to display in the shelf. As the inside of the shelf is very dark, placing this lace embroidered work just to add some brightness. I bought this from France. These two sets of wooden figurines I bought from Rwanda. I think either I should paint the inside of the shelf in a light color or use a light colored wallpaper so that the objects displayed can pop out well. I don't remember where I bought this bowl, but this egg holder is made of white stone and then hand painted, and it's from Rwanda. Moving on to the second shelf, I am placing this box as a riser. This is a wooden candle holder. A friend of mine gifted a pair of them. They have beautiful carvings in it. This is again a candle holder. I bought this from Kenya. Though I am displaying everything inside the shelf so that it is protected from dust, maybe during my next visit, I will place them outside with beautiful candles. This beautiful wooden canister kind of container is from Malawi. They have beautiful carvings in them. I am adding this beautiful colorful puppet artifact to just add a pop of color. I think I bought this from Kenya. Moving on to the next level of the shelf, I am adding some objects which are made with beads. These are candle holders made of cast iron and then beadwork. All these beadworked objects were collected from various countries. I don't remember exactly from where and when. The florals inside this vase was made by me almost 28 years ago. This is actually a pen holder. The other boxes can be used as a trinket box. Moving on to the next level, placing this beautiful bowl which has this big 5 animals over it. Bought this from Kenya. These mini figurines are made with banana fiber. Each figurine depicts a different workmanship. All these are from Rwanda. Moving on to the last shelf, I am placing this pen holder which is from Mozambique. Even this small miniature house is from Mozambique. These 3 bottles were bought from Singapore. Don't remember where I bought this from. This elephant set is made of resin and I bought this from an Egyptian exhibition. Placing this 4 greenery and some florals in this basket. Going to place this basket above the shelf. Let's add some throw pillows to the sofa. A pair of pillow covers will be matching the window curtains. Made this gallery wall with masks. These masks were collected from various countries, and here the masks are from Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa and Zambia. The hippo in the side table is bought from Livingstone, Zambia. This is made of a single heavy solid wood. In this shelving unit, I have placed some beautiful sleek figurines collected from various countries. This lamp holder is from India and also the yellow pen holder is from India. Most of the other figurines are bought from Tanzania and a couple of them from Uganda. These bead worked objects were made by me when I was school going. Most of them are damaged and some of them still remain intact. I collected them recently from my parents' house and storing inside the shelf and preserving them. This duck is missing its beak. This sleek wooden figurine on the left is from Mozambique. This cat and the candle holder I bought from Sweden. These are some of my beadworks again. Tulsi madam is missing the Tulsi. Now let's start decorating the center table. The center table was bought from Zambia. It has the big 5 animal carvings in it. In a mini wooden dough bowl, placing florals in glass vases. Look at the side of the center table, it has a beautiful elephant carving. Now let's take an overview of what we have decorated so far. As a last touch-up, hanging this brass mask in the handle of the shelf. Hope you all have enjoyed decorating with me. Please give the video a thumbs up and share with friends. Thanks for watching.